My best memory when I was little was when they took me for a walk along with my brother to the sidewalk of the Clearwater River. At the time we went with my dad in a boat from the city of Buenaventura. Through the old road through we passed through different paths and rivers like Zacarias, Rio Zabaletas, Rio San Marcos, among others. This day I had a great time since I met some relatives from my father. We also had a delicious chicken, so we played soccer and we swam for several hours in that river of crystalline water that the white was a unique experience. Thank you.